Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Try5 Guy, and in this video we're going to put some colour on that 35 Chevrolet. Mate, I want to show you something. I think this car's designed to have a 1/4-inch bead. It fits in between the fender and the body. And it kind of sits in there, and it's got a little rolled bead. Volkswagens have got them. But, and I think it takes up that gap and it kind of gives it a nice finished edge. But, I think it's going to need it. It looks okay the way it is, but I think for, I don't know what they are, 30 bucks. And they fit in there, they're black, it looks pretty cool. It's vinyl. And kind of it makes a seal between the fender and the body on front and back. Alright. So that's all done. As you know, I line these up, got them pretty damn close now, and I finished this one off this morning when I got here, so all the gaps are pretty cool now. I'm about to take off the doors. I've got one more repair to do underneath that, so when you look underneath it doesn't look all smashed open. Alright, now the 35's ready for final primer. Done all the repairs, a few sand throughs, that's why the final primer's for. Had to get all these edges right. This back panel was all dinted up pretty bad and had a lot of old filler in it. Took the trunk off. Had to repair this quarter panel, had a repair up here. Had repairs here and up on the roof. Detailed the lock area because of the front suicide doors. Yeah, sharpen up all these lines, the underneath, all the front. And the front here, there was dents up there. It's all pretty screwed up here. Had dents up here, had dents through here, had to modify all this area for the door to fit properly. Dents up there, dents in this quarter panel. Yep, that's it. Okay guys, got the shell in primer. It's all ready to go, guide coats. Now the red is where there's an area that I touched up after a pinhole or something like that. I just went ahead and touched it up. So I know where it is. You know, there's a little area there. But it's all done, all in primer. I'll let it go a day and I'll start sanding it down in a couple of days' time. Or me and Steve will. Steve's going to do most of it. See, here's another little area. Just little tiny little areas. Just let me know that in that area there's a touch-up that needs to be done. Here you go. I reckon it's come up really, really well. It's gone from rat rod to hot rod. So, yeah, all jams in primer as well. There you go. As you can see, the 35's taped up and ready for some hot rod black. So let me take you for a quick walk around. Right guys, so there you go, it's all ready to be taped up. I'm going to start with the roof, get a couple of coats on the roof first, then I'll move these stands out of the way. I'm only a short guy, so I can't reach that roof. But there you go, all primed, sanded, tack ragged. Yeah. So, there you go. Alright, I'll take it back once it's painted, hopefully. I'm not much of a painter, I really don't do a lot of painting. I'll do body work and stuff, but, you know, I don't do everything, so there you go. Alright guys, wish me luck. Alright guys, the 35 or 36, I'm not even sure what it is. I think it's a 35. Was a 36, I don't know, they're pretty similar. One of those two. I think it's a 36, but anyway, All right, guys. So it's all in the hot rod black. It's all done now. So next thing is the big block's going to go back in it. I'm going to start working on the doors here. So doors, trunk lid, front fenders and hood, grill shell and running boards is what's next. And I'm just going to like repair the rear fenders, paint them, put them on, repair the trunk lid, paint it, put it on, repeat. And yeah, I'll get it all back together, and we're going to put the motor and transmission in next. It's got the 502 big block with the 871. Yeah, it's an 871 blower on it. Anyway, that's it for this video. It's been a while since I've posted anything on. I just finally finished my basement walls at my place there in Bloomfield. So now we've got basement walls. So been working on that, organising that, and now we're going to start doing the subfloor. So yeah, look out for the next video on this thing getting put back together. And my ute, got some parts back from Australia. Got the tough mounts from Muscle Garage there in South Australia. Got them engine mounts from them guys sent to me. Got the GT45 turbo for it. That's at the house. I've got a lot of stuff. The oil pan, I've got all sorts of stuff. So I'll make a video on that one for an update. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification tab. Thanks, guys.